He's not sure what to think of this. Oh, babes. He's sticking real close to me and he's got his eye on that tractor. But he's safe right now because he's in his haystack. This is his haystack, man. He is the barn kitty. The barnest of all barn kitties. You want me to show you the mouse holes that he watches? I'll show them to you. Kitty, I'm gonna show him your secrets. I'm gonna show him how not domesticated you are. I'm taking him to your special world, Kitty. I know, they think you live inside in a king-size bed and a Mimi and Kristen blanket, but this is where the real barn kitty business happens. Okay, so these holes are always the center of attention for the cats. I have a video. I need to find that video. You know what? I have way too many videos. Jordan will tell you I got 63,000 pictures in my phone right now. I take way too much and I don't do anything with them. But I do have a video of him hunting out here, and he was bobbing in each of the holes and he caught a lizard. He brought it out and was like, hey lady, did you see that? Hey lady, did you see that? I'm a barn cat. So if he's a barn cat, then this must be his guy because this is a barn kid. Whoop.